do a cleaning for you. I'm gonna take your blood pressure, okay? Any medical conditions that you want me to know about? I'm gonna lay you back a tiny bit, okay? So you don't have any cavities. That's a good thing. So we'll bring you in for your cleaning and you will be all set. Good job. No cavities. Here you go.
Have a great day.